Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. We are doing Explore Co-op events, Grass type training event, because we already finished with single player. So now it's time for Co-op. And what we're going to do is we're going to do this in one go from hard to super hard. So this is hard, face the rushing waters, quick connect. We're using a grass type team. Our grass types are kind of, already fully powered. So let's just quickly switch to them.
I can go anywhere as long as I'm with.
The goal is to finish this stage and collect some vouchers and collect some items. Less of leveling up for me, more of finishing the missions, exchanging the items. So without further ado, this is hard. We're going to connect with other people. My internet is slow. Brendan, and Brendan. All right. This would be a massacre, guys.
Right on, let's roll.
Removing auto. What? No turning back.
Go! Go! It's my turn!
We won't be able to use our sync orb. I bet. But who knows, guys? Who knows?
Leave it to me! You can do it! Go! Leave it to me! Go! You can do it! This ought to do it.
Honestly, don't think we can use our sync orb. We can get our sync orb. I don't think so.
Go!
Yeah. Impossible.
Okay, together, here goes!
How could this be?
Everyone's gonna die.
We didn't have enough grit.
And with that said, that is hard.
That was a good battle.
And we're moving on to very hard in the next video. Or rather, in the next battle. Okay, finish. Very hard, guys. Master the Raging Waves, quick connect. Same team.
All right.
Very different teammates this time.
Right on, let's roll.
Another sync or chance. Let's see how well we do.
Now it's our turn. Let's go. It's my turn. It's my turn.
Leave it to me. Go get him!
Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Go get him, partner.
My Pokemon are strong.
Leave it to me. You can do it. All right. Be careful. Go.
How could this be? Now!
Go.
Wow, special attack plus 8.
My Pokemon are strong.
Nice. Guys, do you think we can use our sync move? We're gonna use our sync
My Pokemon are strong.
or co-op attack soon.
Okay, take root. Here goes.
I don't think so.
Go.
And with that said, that match is over. We can probably switch to another Pokemon, but we didn't do that. And with that said, that was very hard.
Give it their best.
And one more battle on to super hard, guys. Best the Frenzied Gale. Super hard. I think we can get our Sync Orb here. Co-op Sync Orb.
All right.
If the game gives us a chance.
Right on. Let's roll.
I think we can, guys.
Leave it to me. Leave it to me. It's my turn.
Leave it to me.
Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Show me something. Be careful.
What the?
It's my turn. It's my turn. Leave it to me. Go. You can do it. Go. It's my turn. This ought to do it. You did great.
Here I am.
You can do it. Go.
Now's my chance.
Okay, guys, we definitely can get a Sync Orb now.
Go.
Be careful.
We probably should use Leaf Storm. Just not using
Leave
it.
it to me. Let's do this.
Go. Go. Go get him.
Uh-oh.
We're just getting started. Go for it.
You can do it.
Uh-oh.
Awesome power of the sea. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Give it your best shot.
Goodbye. And we got a Sync Orb.
Go.
Show them. Watch out. Go for it. Here I am.
You can do it.
It's not yet dead.
How could this be? Now's my chance.
Go. Go get him.
Leaf Storm.
Give it your best shot.
You can do it.
Goodbye. And that was it, guys. That was super hard. Thank you for
That was a
watching.
good battle. Our Pokemon gave it their best.
that said, we got a sync orb, we got 16 of those voucher queues. And that's it. That was the last of the new stages for grass type training event. And what we're going to do is just repeat all those stages multiple times in order to obtain enough vouchers to get these items, guys. So if I'm not mistaken, you need around 1,400 to 1,700, somewhere in that range, in order to get all these items. And you need to complete or repeat the stages several times in order to finish all these. Like complete the following single player on super hard 50 times a thundering torrent, 5 times very hard, 5 times super hard, 5 times, yeah, basically 5 times for co-op stages, and was it 50 or 70 times? 50 times for single player super hard. Good luck to you all, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next video.